gems, this is Shelly, and in today's video I'm going to review the Avane skincare products, and Avane or Avane, however you say it. So this is the French skincare brand. I almost said Korean because of the habit. Anyways, so this is a French skincare brand and you can get it in India very easily on Nykaa as well as on Amazon. I will be reviewing 3 of their products. They are very famous: Thermal Spring Water, the Cicatricity Cream and the Skin Recovery Cream. So at first I have the Avane Thermal Spring Water, and this is the most famous product from the brand, the most loved product from the brand, and it contains only one ingredient and it is the Thermal Spring Water. And according to the brand, this water is rich in multiple minerals and organic compounds, so it helps in calming your skin, and also it heals skin over the long term of usage. And this Thermal Spring Water is something which you will literally find has the main ingredient in all the Avane skincare product. This product is literally like your very lightweight watery mist toner, and it doesn't contain any other ingredient, it doesn't contain any essential oil, it does not contain any fragrance. So this makes it perfect for the sensitive skin or irritated skin. Like, I have tried it out for the winter time, I have also used it for the warmer days, and I'm going to be honest, like during the winter days I did not like it for my dry skin. Like, I honestly did not understand like what this does for your skin. But as the days got warmer and I took it out of my stash and started using it again, and I loved it. Like during this hot summer days when I put it on my face, I definitely find it cooling and soothing on my skin, and if I had some minor redness or irritation, I also saw that it reduced it all. So this is why I feel that this is the perfect product for the oily skin, because oily skin can use it all year around, but if you have skin type which is like normal, dry or combination, it's going to be perfect for this summer and monsoon season. And you can get it in 3 different sizes. Like mine is in travel size quantity, that is 50 ml quantity, and it is also available in 150 ml quantity and big 300 ml quantity. So this is a very multi-purpose product. Like you can use it as your mist toner, like after cleansing, spray this all over your face and then follow up with your rest of the skincare routine. You can also use it right before applying makeup, and also you can use it throughout the day as your mist. So for my overall experience, I definitely liked this product, and I do understand why people love this so much. I only found it lacking on the hydration part. I didn't find it hydrating enough for my skin, but at the same time, like, it is understood because it's a very watery mist toner. And the next product is the Avane Skin Recovery Cream, and lately this particular moisturizer is gaining a lot of popularity, and there is a good reason for it. This has a very simple formulation. It is 100% essential oil free, it is 100% carrier oil free, and it is also 100% fragrance free. So apart from Avane Thermal Water, it mainly contains 2 types of silicone to prevent that water loss and moisture loss from your skin, and those 2 silicones are cyclopentasiloxane and cyclohexasiloxane. I'm sure I've butchered the name very well, like I'm expert in doing so, but anyways, I'm sure you have understood. So these 2 silicones are different from your conventional silicone. These silicone doesn't clog your pore, these silicone doesn't sink into your skin. These are the volatile silicone, that is when you apply any product that contains these 2 or either of these silicone, as the day like passes by, this silicone just evaporates slowly from your skin, but at the same time it ensures that it keeps your skin moisturized and prevent the water loss from your skin. And also because of the silicone, this cream has that very smooth, silky, lightweight, fluffy, very unique texture. Like the texture of this cream is like so amazing. It's almost like a lotion, but it has that richness of a cream. Also at the same time, it doesn't feel greasy or sticky on skin, but it does a perfect job of a moisturizer, and it is mainly because of these 2 silicone. So when I bought this moisturizer, I was really curious to find out like how is this recovery cream different from the other moisturizers that I've used till date. Firstly, like, don't expect any intense calming effect from this. This is not made for that, but at the same time, this moisturizer will ensure that it moisturizes your skin really well, but without irritating your skin, without clogging the pores and give that needed time to your skin so that it heals itself. Like there are some days when your skin needs the break from all the fancy stuff, so this cream is perfect to give that needed break for your skin. And the second thing which makes this cream unique is the packaging. Like this cream is 100% preservative free. It doesn't contain any paraben or any sort of preservative, but the packaging ensure that this cream doesn't go bad and no air, no bacteria or bad stuff enters this product. Overall, for my dry, sensitive and acne prone skin, I'm in love with this product because there are days when I don't feel like using any fancy moisturizer and I need a little break from all this testing and stuff, but since I have dry skin, I need to put on something on my face. So this cream is perfect for all those days. So I feel that if you have skin type which is like normal to dry, this is going to be like a perfect moisturizer for all year around. But if you have skin type which is like combination or oily, use this during the winter time. So the third Avène product that I will be reviewing is the Cicatrifate Repair Cream, and this is the product that I have featured many times in my many videos, and I love this moisturizer to calm my skin, to reduce the redness on my skin, and also it works fantastically on my minor breakout or irritation. And one thing I want to say, like this is the best product from all the three for the acne issue, but at the same time don't expect this to work on your serious or very giant acne. And again, like all the Avène product, this also has very simple formulation. Apart from the thermal spring water, it uses some minerals to calm down your skin, to calm down your acne. And this cream does have very confusing texture, like it has that very rich and stiff texture, and so it can feel a bit sticky at a time. But this cream also has a tendency to dry out your skin, especially if you have very dry or dehydrated skin. So in order to get most out of this Cicatrifate cream, it is important that you use it right. If you have combination skin, I feel that this cream is going to be perfect for you. Like you can use it all year around as your intensive skin calming moisturizer, except for the monsoon time, because during the monsoon time combination skin can find this little sticky. If you have oily skin, this moisturizer is going to be perfect for the winter time, and for rest of the season you can just use it as the spot treatment. So for the normal to dry skin, this is going to be perfect for the summer and monsoon season, and avoid it during the winter time, or use it as the spot treatment during that winter time, because during winter using it on full face can dry out your skin. And if you have skin type which is like very dehydrated or very dry, use it only as the spot treatment. Like the cheek portion of my face does get irritated very easily, so I just apply it on this portion alone. Oh my god, what was that? Or irritated part of face, and it works really well. This is how I just apply it. I know today, since it's the video, I did take some extra effort and time to apply it properly, otherwise I just casually slather it on irritated part of my face. And so yeah, I hope this little tip is useful for you. Initially I had planned to review more products from the brand, but the one which I had in my wish list, they keep getting sold out, or I wonder if brand has decided to discontinue. I don't know what's the problem. But in case if you have your wish list from the Avène, any product that you want me to test out for you people, leave the name of the product in the comment section below, and I will try to get my hands on it as soon as possible and will do a review for you. And if you like today's video, definitely give it a big thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.